The following is a portion of our online installer course, available at training.thermaduct.com. Enroll today for the latest updates. To start your connections, soften the edge of our offset coupling with a rigid spatula. Center and apply the factory-supplied gasketing around the face of the metal flange. Ensure you cover the entire circumference. Apply a 3/8 inch bead of Thermaduct supplied sealant around the edge and side of the offset coupling. Application on the coupling side should use an alternating pattern for best results. Once that is applied, align the solvent-welded seams and connect sections together. Ensure there are no gaps. And finally, use the factory-supplied 2-piece drawband to complete the connection. For horizontal applications, that's all that is required. For vertical installations, an additional bead of sealant will be applied to the top of the connection. For our full training course that includes connection methods, support requirements, and field modification instructions, register online at training.thermaduct.com.